Okay, sometimes you just want to get like the total length of the profiles for a particular component. And the way to do that and write it to Excel in the form of tables would be to flat sum length. Let's see, where is that? Right here. So what this is going to do is it's going to take the active model by default. You could, of course, scale it if you need to scale it for different units or different values. Uh, based on like if you're going from millimeters to inches or vice versa. And in this particular case, we're going to say my table is going to be where I'm going to write this data to. Now it's going to take the active model that's in here. And I have these other open commands actually turned off at the moment just because we're going to follow up with a quick example of how to do multiple models. So when this is finished, you get this nice little table here that's kind of indicating what the total profile length is for all of the profiles that are here. This includes the outside profile too. So if we come back in and we say, okay, let's do that for more than one model, and I'm going to just alter this to say I want anything that is basically a family table instance within session. And when we run this, it's going to load each of those models, and now it's doing a scan of each of those, and then it's going to write out the table for each of those three models to give us the total profile length across each of those parts. So this is very good for cost estimation. You could obviously take that table of data, connect it into Power Query, join it with other cost estimation components, and do some pretty cool stuff pretty quickly.